y'all. Why did my voice go up like that? Anyways, welcome back to my channel. Look where y'all are. Look where I'm at in the keto kitchen. I know I've been neglecting y'all, but we are back and we're gonna cook up something delicious tonight. Delicious and easy. That's what I like. So we're gonna make actually a recipe that I've seen in the keto community on Instagram, sausage balls. And I'm making sure there's no lipstick on my teeth. Sausage balls and air fried ranch green beans. Does that not sound good? Come on now, y'all. So I'm not even gonna waste no time. Let's get to it. Oh, hold on, one thing. Have y'all subscribed? Have you? Go ahead and hit that button. Appreciate the love. Y'all are awesome. Let's get to it. Let's go. I'm hungry. Okay, so that is the recipe I'm gonna be using. Megan 71586. Okay, so we need a pound of sausage, an egg, half a cup of almond flour, let's see, half a cup of each of those cheeses. I have mozzarella and Colby Jack. Her recipe calls for cheddar. Cheese is cheese, you know, it's all good. And then 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and some garlic powder. Now, I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna add some sugar-free syrup. You know why? Because that sweet and salty combination is everything. It gives me life. So this is what I'm gonna use. Maple Grove Farms, got it from Kroger. I don't know how much I'm gonna add. I'm gonna go with probably half a cup, just like everything else. So that's my oven, finished preheating at 350. So let's go ahead and put everything in the bowl and get this going. So now is the fun part. You see, I got my gloves. We're gonna mix all this together. Ooh, yum, yum. Mix it together. Look at that, scrumptious. Mix it together. Incorporate all that sweet, all that salty. I hope y'all can still see this because this bowl moved a little bit. Oh my gosh. This is lovely. So what we're gonna do after we mix it together, we're going to put them on a parchment paper, and they're gonna be, let me see, just a little scoop, 1-inch balls, and we're gonna bake them for 25 to 35 minutes on 350. And so my oven has been preheating. So I hope y'all can still see this. Let me check. This makes me nervous. Let me make sure y'all can still see this goodness. Yep, y'all sure can. Okay, so we're gonna keep mixing. Keep mixing. And honestly, it looks gross. It smells like sausage and syrup, and a little bit of garlic powder. So, all right, so that's all mixed up. Looks like it to me. Looks like it to y'all, right? And let's go ahead and put it on our parchment sheet and bake. Look at that, yummy. This is my first batch. I will say they're probably a little bit wetter than the regular recipe because I added that, because I added the syrup, but they still have a ball shape. I have a lot left, so I'm probably gonna have 2 or 3 pans, but these are gonna go in the oven at 350 for 25 to 35 minutes. Let me go ahead and open it up, put them in. Okay, turn on the timer. Let's see, timer, 25. And if it needs a little bit more time, then we'll just add the time, and that's it. Okay, so the sausage balls, I hate saying sausage balls are in the oven. So now we're gonna go on to our green beans. This won't take any time, like for real, for real. So we're gonna use these green beans. I got these from Trader Joe's. They're trimmed and cleaned, pre-washed, ready to eat. So easy. You can use fresh. You can use, I guess, frozen. I don't know. I feel like these will be they'll just make the recipe taste even better, you know? But yeah, these are ready to go. I have a ranch packet right here. This was used on some ranch chicken I made like 2 weeks ago. Delicious. And Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning. This can go on everything. When I tell you everything, everything. And just some regular black pepper. So these two, ranch seasoning packet and the green beans. So we're gonna toss them in a bowl with a little bit of olive oil and put them in the air fryer. Side note, if you don't have an air fryer, you are missing out. You're missing out. I am trying. Do you hear me? The passion in my voice. You're missing out. Get an air fryer. Listen, I got mine from QVC. I love payment plans. Go ahead and get it. You only have to pay for it all in one time. See, don't tell me I never told you anything, okay? So let's get to it. Okay, so my, I guess, basket is lined with foil. So I'm going to take the green beans and place them inside. I'm gonna try to keep them as a single layer because I want everything to get cooked evenly. These smell so good, y'all. Between just everything, the ranch packet, the pepper, the garlic, just bomb. Yum. Oh, okay. So they're in here, single layer, ready to go. Okay, so we're closing it up. It's on. I really don't know what to put these on, so I'm just gonna take a guess. Let's do just the default. 370. I think it's 15 minutes. Yep. So we'll see if that is good enough. Okay, so it's been 25 minutes. I'm gonna pull out the first batch. Okay. Y'all, it smells just like breakfast. Just like breakfast. I'm so happy that I added that syrup. Look at these beautiful, delicious looking things. Look at that. I'm gonna let these cool down. And then I have my other batch ready to go in the oven. Guess what else is done? The green beans, and they only took 10 minutes. They didn't even take the full 15 minutes on 370. Look at them. This is exactly how I wanted them to be blistered, cooked all the way through. They're sizzling. You hear it? Ooh, you hear that? Look at all that flavor that's stuck to the green beans. Oh yeah, it's time to eat. It is time to eat. All right, so we're gonna plate this up. I'll put the green beans on the plate first. I'll make a mess, Cherish. Jeez. Okay, you're making a mess. Got it? Okay. And then a couple of these little cuties. Up. 1, 2, 3, and let me get this last one. Nope, you're not gonna work with me. Nope, you're not gonna work with me either. Come on. There we go. And this one. So that is my plate tonight. I'm ready to eat. I have been waiting. I'm ready. I'm starving. Here's a close-up. Green beans. Yum. Come on, keto. Come on, keto plate. Okay, so the green beans. So good. the blister on them enhances the flavor of the seasonings. Oh my God. So good, y'all. Really, really good. I'm not even lying. And now, a sausage ball. Let's take a bite. It tastes like I'm eating pancakes and sausage together. I'm not even lying. So good. So good. I'm ready to eat. Thank y'all for watching me in this keto kitchen. I'm about to kill this plate and more. I'll talk to y'all later. Like, subscribe, and comment. You know what I want you to do. Thank you so much for the love. Love y'all. I will see y'all later. Bye.